Welcome to Rigged Rigs Garage. We are going to start an adventure and building out toys. So our first build and many to come with the adventure of you followers. Let's take a look at what our project's going to start out with. We are looking at an 87 Coachman RV. Stereotypical of the DK, we will be stripping off this entire top RV section to turn into a beautiful car hauler for our rigged rigs. As you can see, this right here is Toxic Waste. She is a beast. Dana 60 rear, Dana 30 front. We're gonna find out what she can take. But on this build, let's go ahead and do the walk around and see what we're looking at. We get to find out is, will it run? And as you can see, we got a mess of components that have been tore up and played around with. Column looks a little, well, it should get us down the road. And then, of course, somebody attempted to do something useful, but left short. And, oh, wrong one. Don't know my hood from a brake. I need a little helper assistant for myself. Oh. Now, as we tear into this wonderful motor, we've got a 460 stuffed in there, and we get to find out if that big old beast will rotate on us. So we're gonna take and go ahead and give her a good pull. Gonna reach on down in here and see if we can't give these pulleys a twist and find out if she is free. There's a whole lot of mess and no room in this thing. Room for my tiny little boy. Looks like oh yes, she rotates. Yes, that's a plus.
Hey everybody, it's Gary here. I'm about, 5 minutes away from driving up to this property where we got the new car hauler. Brandon's already there working on it, or trying to see if it's even possible to work on it. He's supposed to be doing a Will It Run video. I'm sure we'll post a link for that. Yeah, so I'll turn it back on when we get there.
So we've started the first auto parts store. Guess what? This little part, not an AutoZone friendly part. So we're gonna hit up that good old O'Reilly's. Has my co-pilot Gary over here, finding out and tearing up these adventures. Wish us luck.
Alright, here we go. We're going to attempt to start this sucker up again. Come on. Oh, she wanted to. She wanted to. Oh. Oh, I lost her. There she is. There she is. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
We got a runner!
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes! Oh, on her own? On her own?
Yeah!
Nice!
We got a runner.
This is idling. Charging her own battery. Barely. Barely.
Oh, she a little rough.
Yeah, might need a fuel pump.